Question on HCF LCM. HCF of two numbers x and y is 400. LCM of these two numbers is this. Find the maximum possible value of the lower number of between x and y. Okay. So let's see. Here it is given HCF is given 400. So HCF is 400. If I write 2 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 2. This is 400. LCM is given in this form only, 2 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 9. So what can be the two numbers, right? If I write x and y, okay, the two numbers must have this HCF, okay, into, right, what other factors it must have, because both number, the common factor is 2 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 2. But other than this common factor, you cannot have any other common factor, right? But 2's highest power must be 7, right? So that means either x or y must contain 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so that this becomes 2 raised to power 7. Right? Apart from this common factor, I am talking about apart from this common factor, what other values it may have. Now 5 raised to power 4, to make 5 raised to power 4 in the LCM, one factor must contain 5 raised to power 2. Right? And because 3 raised to power 9 is there, right? So one of the factor can have 3 raised to power 9 also. So here y is nothing, y is having nothing. Or you can have 2 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 9 here. Or you can have 2 raised to power 3. Okay, rather I would say here 3 raised to power 9 and 5 raised to power 2 here. Or you can have 3 raised to power 9 into 5 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power 3 here. Or you can have only 2 raised to power here and the remaining power here. Or you can have 3 raised to power 9 here and 2 and 5 here. Or you can have 5 here and 2 and 3 here. Or you can have everything in the y. But I want the maximum possible value of the lower value, right? You can have this also. These are all the combination I have written, right? Okay, I have written all the combination which is possible, right? Other than the highest common factor, right? So x and y are x and y here already contain this HCF. They already contain this value, right? Plus, right, with that into, right, what will be the value to get LCM of this. Okay, now he is saying the lower value. Here the lower value is y and it is only 1, right, which I want maximum possible value of the lower value, right? So this is not possible. So this is not possible. Now here 3 raised to power 9 is the lower value, right? 3 raised to power 9, that means okay, 27 cube, right? So this will be, or you can say simply that 3 raised to power 6 was 729 and 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So 27 into 9, if I multiply, so it will become 27 into 9, 243. 24 carry, 27 54 and 24 78, 7 carry, 27 into 7, it will become 189, 189 and 7, 196. Okay, so here we have this value as 19683. But what is this value? This value is 8 into 25, 200 only. So that means this is the lower value, not this. 3 raised to power 9 is not the lower value, right? 200 is the lower value. Okay, so here we have lower value 200. So that means, okay, where here also we have lower value as 200. Okay. Now in this case, this is 25. The lower value will be only 25. Here the lower value will be only 8. Okay. Here the lower value will be this only, right? 8. Here 25. That means the lower value in this 200, right? So he is asking the lower value, which will become HCF, that is the common part. So 16, common part was 400, right? No need to multiply again, right? Into this 200, right? Because I have taken these X and Y, these values as, okay, you can say if the common part is HCF, so X as H into X1, Y as H into Y1. H is already there, HCF is there, X1 and Y1 I have written here, right? These possibilities for X1 and Y1. That means apart from the HCF. So 400 was HCF and 200, right, apart from HCF. So this becomes 8,0,0,0,0. So 80,000. 80,000 is the lower value out of X and Y, where the HCF can be 400 and LCM can be the given value. Okay. Out of these two values we were talking about, yes, 80,000. 80,000 is the correct answer. So we were talking about the lower value out of X and Y, right? X is 400 into something, Y is 400 into something. That something I was looking at, whichever is lower, right? What are the possibility of something when the LCM should be the given number?